Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. This is HP Smart Tank 580 and 585 series printer is showing E3 error. In this video we will diagnose the error and we'll fix this problem. Stay with me and watch the complete video. First of all, we need screwdriver to disassemble the scanner. There are 4 screws in the front. Disconnect the power first also. And okay, there are 6 screws. We disassemble now. Simply lift the scanner cover and remove the scanner. 2 cables, one for power start button and one for scanner. And you can see why this printer is showing, because this ink carriage is not coming to its position. Okay, so what I found, here is a small tiny piece of paper inside. This can be a reason because it's not going inside on the left side, and that's why it's showing E3 error. Suppose the correct position is on the end of the left side. Okay, so this was the issue. And in some cases, if this blue color top cover of the carriage is open, also it's showing E3 error because it cannot go to its normal position. So in our case, the small piece of paper was stuck in that area, that's why it's showing E3 error. And in some cases, if this is not working well, this ink head cleaning double, it's not it's getting, sometimes it's getting stuck in the left side. Also it can be show in the on the screen E3 error. So you have to see multiple factors to diagnose E3 error in HP Smart Tank printer. And now we have to assemble all cables that we removed. I will put back scanner and we will check again. I am not looking anything else, any trouble in this printer. It looks fine, everything. So let's assemble back. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, just make sure you have to fix back well, because it should rotate something like this. Now before I putting the screw, I will check is there E3 error or not. Printer is booting up, so just hold on. And you can see there is no E3 error now. I will press I button to print information page. And you can see now it's printing fine. There is no E3 error in this printer. The model was 580, and the same method you can check in your printers if you have 585, 581, and 515 or any other model. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.